Ready for another Tuesday of math? Hopefully last week went well, and hopefully so did yesterday. This should look very familiar. We did a couple of these last week. But I spy something new. Do you see it? This says, circle the number to make 5. That seems familiar. That's just like last week. And I see fingers and stars and dice. But uh-oh, this part looks new. Now I'm seeing some numerals. Let's do our best to do all 4 of these together, and then you can do the rest by yourself to get some math warm-up time. Are you ready? Starting with the fingers, here I see how many? That's right, 4. If we have 4 and we want to make 5, how many more do I need? That's right, 1 more. If you hold up 4 fingers, you only need to put up 1 more to make a total of 5. Look at the stars. How many do you see here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which means, again, only 1 more to make 5. So we would circle this one. Now I'm seeing a 4 on the dice. If we have 4, how many more do we need to make 5? That's right, 1 again. They keep giving us 4. All right, here's the last one we're practicing together. Again, I see they're giving us 4. Remember, this is a numeral. You might see a numeral and look at the number and get a little bit scared, but all you have to do is use your fingers or the math counting cubes or draw pictures. 4 is 4 is 4. So if there's 4, how many more do we need? That's right, just 1 more. We would circle this one. Can you do the rest by yourself? Let's get some practice in. Good luck.